Guys, so I am outside because this is huge and I have not figured out where I want to put it yet. If I want to put it in the camper or in the living room or, you know, a bedroom. I have not figured it out yet, but I will eventually. But I wanted to show it to you. So this is from a company called MAXYOYO. It is $239 on the website. I will have the link in the description box down below in case you would like to purchase or browse any of their other products that they have. They specialize in mattresses, like futon mattresses, like couch, like portable couch, I guess you would say, like folding couch. That's what this is. This is a folding beanbag couch. So it is a couch that folds out into essentially like a bed, like a floor mattress. So let me get it open and kind of set up and I will show it to you. So I just realized that I need scissors. I will be right back. So now I just have to figure out how to fold that up. This is the full size mattress. By the way, they have full, twin, and single. This is the full, this is the biggest size. So let's figure out how to fold this up. All right, so I figured it out. It wasn't hard. Now this does need to be like against a wall. So it needs to be leaning against something. So I have the box behind it. So let's test it out. This is pretty thick too. When I took it out of the vacuum seal, it puffed up like quite a bit. Oh, that is comfortable. And they say beanbag, but it's not beans. It's just stuffing on the inside. But this is really comfortable. Now obviously I can't lean back because there's just an empty box behind me, but oh. Now, they had it shown in the listing where you can just pull this part out and just sit like that. That is so comfortable, and just sit and relax like you're in like a little bed, or you can pull it all the way out and have a full-size mattress to sleep on. And this is actually pretty thick. It's thicker than the mattresses in my camper. Oh my goodness. I feel like I really want to replace the couch in the camper with this, because this is 10 times more comfortable than that couch that's in there right now. But yeah, I could fall asleep on this right now. This is so comfortable, you guys. And let me just pan you down a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Like, that comes really far out. This is really long, and it's pretty wide as well. Definitely can fit 2 people, or like an adult and 2 little kids on it. Yes, perfect. So I'm gonna show it to you up close. Like, it's really big. And then there's a zipper. So this whole cover comes off, so you can wash this when it gets dirty and stuff. If you're using it as a bed though, I would suggest putting a sheet over top of it, just to, you know, keep all your body oils off of it while you're sleeping and stuff. But yes, this is washable, and this actually unzips in several different spots. You can actually, so this is what's inside. Oh, it is kind of like beans, but it's not your typical beanbag beans. It's like little tiny pieces of foam inside here, but you can't even feel that it's pieces through this. It just feels really, really cushiony and soft. And I like that. But that is what's inside. And I guess you just restuff it once you're done washing it. But yeah, I'm really, really, really going to enjoy this. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. This is so comfy. I don't even want to move from here. But like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're interested in purchasing this lovely couch or browse any of their other things, like I said, they have regular mattresses, they have floor mattresses, they have futon mattresses, they have I think several different of these foldable couches. This one's in gray, but they have a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of, I assume it's all super comfortable because this is amazingly comfortable. But yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this or just browsing their website, I will have the link in the description box down below. And me personally, I'm going to be using this as a couch and a bed because this is really comfortable. Like I said, I haven't figured out which room exactly I want to put it in, or the camper. I'm thinking the camper, but yeah, it's definitely going somewhere and going to be used quite frequently. But I really wanted to share this with you guys today. That is everything for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Bye!